How to download Bitcoin Wallet app. Hey guys, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So in my case, I'm opening App Store on my iPhone. You can even launch Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Go to the search bar and search for Bitcoin Wallet right here. Okay, here we go. Now tap on this application right here. Now download it first and then just tap on open and launch the application once it has been downloaded. Okay, here we go. Wait for a while. Now over here, you can either sign in with Apple, sign in with Google, or even use your email address, or you can even skip this process. So just tap on allow here in case of the app wants to send you notifications. So you can see that the app has successfully been downloaded. At last, what I suggest you is that do create an account in order to try out different features and use the application accordingly. So this was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.